Hey guys, so I just picked this up today. You know what this is? Nothing really exciting, but I'm excited to put it on the car actually. It's a steering wheel cover. I had one on my last car for a little bit, but this one looks really good. It's from AutoSop or Amazon. It's not real leather, of course, but it's a mix with carbon fiber. Check this out. I think it looks really good. I saw it and I thought it just looks really sporty and it would go well with my interior theme that I'm trying to do. So it's this fake leather on the side. It has these notches too. And then this carbon fiber pattern that I think looks really good. See if I can get a good look of it. And of course it's not real carbon fiber. For the price, it's under 20 bucks, guys. Looks really nice. See if I can show you this here. Right there, check that out. I mean, the pattern looks really good. You know, there's like good fake carbon fiber and then there's bad fake carbon fiber. I think this stuff looks really good. Soft inside, so it'll protect your steering wheel. Feels really good. Here are the 10 and 2. Has, like I said, these indentations here, so it's really comfortable for your thumb. I think it's going to look really sharp, guys, and it's a 15-inch, so it should fit. If you guys have ever put these on, you do have to stretch them on really hard. And they even throw in this little key chain here if you guys want one too. That's pretty neat. And like I said, for under $20, you know, and if you guys know, the leather on these cars on the steering wheel is very sensitive. It gets scratched so easy. Let me show you. Okay, so here's how it's going to look. I get it put on here. I think it's going to flow really nice with the little touches I have. This carbon fiber piece right here goes straight up. If you look here, all the carbon fiber here, the pedal shifters, you know, are real. And this, of course, is fake. But I personally think it flows really nicely. It's not over the top. I think it's going to look really good. And the main reason I want to do is protect it. So let me go ahead and put it on. I'll show you. Okay, guys, so here it is sitting on the car. Looks really good. This looks really nice. Nice feel to it. Down here, just has a nice feel to it. Now, if you guys know, these cars have a fat steering wheel, so it's not going to cover the whole thing. If you found one to cover the whole entire steering wheel, it would make your steering wheel huge because it'd be so big in diameter. So it is going to be open like that. And that's how most any of them will be because, like I said, these steering wheels are pretty fat to begin with. So I just put it here on the bottom and you can roll it. So you can roll it, see how you want it. I didn't like it like that covering it, so I just rolled it down so it fits right up underneath. Like the Pilots, like we have a Pilot and their steering wheels are thin. And a lot of Hondas are, but the Accords have thick steering wheels. They feel nice from the factory, so that's just to be expected with any steering wheel cover. So I like that. And you see these notches come out, so these steering wheels are like robust anyway. So I like it. I like the protection it offers. And like the main thing is, like if you put hand sanitizer on, you don't have to worry about scarring your leather steering wheel, which is expensive to replace. And this, I think it looks good, you know, and like I said, under 20 bucks. You know, if your nail actually hits it, you're not going to scar the leather. My other car, I've accidentally hit it with my nail and it put a big scratch in it. So you guys probably know, even from the factory, there's some scarring in it too. So I like it. I think it gives it a good look and it feels great in the hand too. It doesn't slip. It's on there. It does take some tugging to get it on, so know that. You're going to have to stretch it over, but that's what you want, so it's not a loose-fitting steering wheel cover. That looks really good. And check that out. I think it's not over the top. I mean, they have different styles too if you want different colors, but I think like just overall, it just gives it that little something. I know I've seen some of you guys replacing the steering wheels. That looks really good too. I'm just not going to drop, like, I think it's $300 or $400 for a new steering wheel right now, but I think it looks good. And the main thing, like I said, it protects it. Okay. So if you guys want that, check the link in the description. Great quality, under $20, protects your car too, and add that little touch to it and not worry about messing up your car if you have something on your hands. Because like I said, the stock leather on the steering wheels, it does not hold up that well over time, especially if you have anything on your hands. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope it helps. Hope everyone's staying safe, and I'll catch you guys next time.